Hello, I'm Julie Samaco, owner of Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I wanted to come on here and give you a quick tip. I'm currently out of town, but I wanted to make sure you didn't miss out on our Tip Tuesday for the week. So I like to come on and just give you a quick tip to help you with your wreath making or your wreath selling. So today we're going to be talking about ribbon streamers, so a quick way to add ribbon streamers to your wreath after they have already been made. If you're new to the page, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell icon. If you're watching replay over on YouTube, subscribe to me there and ring the bell icon as well. So you'll be notified the next time we do a Tip Tuesday or a Facebook Live or YouTube Live video. So let's get to the tip, okay? Let's get to the tip. So you can see that this is a wreath that we have made, and it's already made. And a lot of times I do this with my grapevine wreaths or my deco mesh wreaths. This is just one that I quickly had behind me, so I thought I would use it. A lot of times when you step back and look at your wreath, you might see a hole on there. And you don't want to necessarily open up a whole new bundle of flowers and cut one off just for that one hole, right? You might need something else. So for example, we've got a lot of ribbon on here. I'm just going to tell you that ribbon is the least expensive item that you add to your wreath. Let me repeat that. Ribbon is the least expensive item that you can add to a wreath. So if you have a hole, why not just add more ribbon? The way I like to add more ribbon, I use my steel pick machine. You don't have to use a steel pick machine. You could use a wooden floral pick if you want. But I take the end of the ribbon and I pinch it and I put a pick on the end of it, just like this. Okay? So again, if you're using the wooden floral picks, I've already shown you how to use wooden floral picks. If you want information about using wooden floral picks, head over to my website, southerncharmwreaths.com, for more wreath making and Tip Tuesday ideas. So these are wooden floral picks. You can put this also on the end of your ribbon if you wanted to, but go to southerncharmwreaths.com for information on how to do that. I've already shown you how to do that one. But here we've just inserted a steel pick, and then I cut the streamer the length that I want. So if I want a streamer to come out right here, all I have to do is just sort of eyeball it and then cut it off the bolts, right, like that. And then I turn it and dovetail it. So now what I can do is insert a little bit of glue. Decide where I want to put it, and then just add. So this is another way of just adding a little bit of color or design in your wreath so that it, fills in that little hole. Or let's say you might have, you have some ribbon somewhere that's getting hidden. All you have to do is just remember to cut a little streamer off. So I usually just put the pick on first and then measure to where I want my streamer to come. And then I will cut it off the bolt and then dovetail it and then put it in the glue and then attach. So I can go through this wreath and just add ribbon streamers here or there, anywhere where I feel there is just a little bit of a hole. If you can see right here, I've added that ribbon streamer going down there. So that's quickly a tip for you guys, just a quick Tuesday tip for you, using ribbon streamers to fill in holes in your wreath. A very quick way to add more volume, more texture, that's inexpensive. You've already purchased it, you've already added it to the wreath, so you can now use this as filler as well at the end of your design. I hope you found this tip useful. Make sure to subscribe to me. Again, you can find more tips like this over on our website, southerncharmwreaths.com. Make sure when you're over on our website to join our mailing list so that you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video tutorial. You won't miss it. Remember, join us at our on our mailing list at southerncharmwreaths.com. Y'all have a blessed week. Bye.